People with Alzheimer or memory disease quickly forget basic informations. The smartphone location in a certain area activates a light panel. AA, automated alert, is an interaction between smartphone app and smart switch, sending an alert message, which is constantly showed as a reminder on a light panel.
Is he coming? Yes, he is. I cannot remember. Where is he? Oh. Yes, he is coming. Where are you, darling? Oh my God, he is coming.
The light panel automatically switches off once at home. I hope that this project can help people living in this unpleasant condition and that it can be an inspiration to improve it. Thanks for watching.